Hello guys, and you're welcome to Rennie Gold Crypto YouTube channel. I'm A1. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell notification for legit crypto airdrops. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to track your favorite central exchanges reserves. Reason why you have to be able to do that, or why you should do that, is so you don't fall among those that get affected if something like FTX ever happens again. Let's track back to FTX and scandal and saga. Well, there are various platforms on that, but today I'm going to show you Kucoin's future. It's a new future, and yeah, you can see that it's exchange proof of reserve, POR. And with exchanges, let's read through this. Exchanges publishing their proof of reserves, POR, on multiple platforms. The CoinGecko team has rolled out an exchange reserve tab, so you can track them all in one place. This is not yet available in the app as of time of recording this video. And before I go further to show you what's up now, we are just going to read through, not everything. And here they say, before we dive in, what is POR? Well, POR is essentially the balance statement which provides insight into how much asset an entity has. Reason why you have to do this, so that you'll be to give yourself personal conviction, and they do that also to help you strengthen your belief in them, knowing that your money and your assets are safe with them. Your crypto assets are safe with the exchange. How are you getting the POR data? They aggregate it they aggregate it from folks such as, you see the names, and they file them, as well as the exchanges themselves. If it has been published, they can't get this data unless it has been published. So without saying much, I think I'm going to take you guys straight to the link, so that I'll show you how to do that right away. So now, tracking and exchange reserves on CoinGecko. If you want to view Binance reserves data, click exchanges on, or search for Binance. Well, you sometimes one thing you have to do first of all is to follow CoinGecko on Twitter. Of course, that should be the first thing to do. Search CoinGecko on Twitter and follow up ASAP. Now, without saying much, right there is in the pinned post, and right there you're going to see the link, and immediately you click it, it will take you straight to your browser. And now let's get straight in. Let me show you guys a little bit longer, and we are in. Excuse me. Spoiler alert, I think if you don't have a CoinGecko account, I think you should get one. You don't do KYC here. You basically have to claim their candies, and there's been a sort of rumor coming up with the candies being converted to a cryptocurrency. No plans yet, according to the post a few hours ago, as of time of recording this video. So right here, back to reason. Right here, top exchanges ranked by trust score. This place also you see the trust score, and you see the reserve data, if it's available or not. There have been speculations and questions why a trust score should be 10 when reserve data is not yet made available. I think that I saw that on Twitter. But first of all, of course, the trust score of Coinbase, I still believe it should be at 10, because Coinbase is not a baby central exchange. It's been there, and its customer trust is well enough. So first we have Binance here, and here the first tab right here, you see the trust score, which is 10. Of course it should be. And we have the reserve data, and it's available. You see the 24-hour volume and VCs of similar web. So we're going to click Binance and see. Okay, you click there now, and you'll be shown that they have We only have partial data for this exchange. Data is crowdsourced and may not have been fully acknowledged by the exchange themselves. But either way, it's good to get to see this and reassure yourself. This gives its customers reassurance that they are, so that customers and their users to know that FTX may not happen again or will not happen again. All these are very good. So you see exchange reserve, their assets, of course you can see right here. Excuse me, let me just get my brush on. We can see this. You have the assets, which is 65.23 billion dollars. Clean assets, excluding exchanges self-issued assets, which is this. Auditor, for latest data and more, diff and more. Okay. Then Nassim, which is this guy, published his own also, and then we have of course this also comes with a disclaimer, and then here is the trust score. So guys, this should be all for now, because you should be able to trust an exchange that has enough liquidity, that has enough financial capability, that has enough, that won't take your money for granted and won't take your assets in them and your trust and believe in them for granted. And this CoinGecko future is really interesting and makes the whole work easier. Instead of you going all about following all the influencers, etc., or the exchanges themselves, CoinGecko gets you to get this data all in one place. So alright guys, that'll be all for today.